Outsourcing civil 3D design and drafting services. Civil 3D is well known in the civil engineering community and widely used on a variety of infrastructure projects and any scope of work. By leveraging specialized expertise and resources, businesses can optimize outcomes while freeing up time and resources for core activities. In this video, we explore the advantages of outsourcing civil 3D design and drafting services. 1. The benefits of civil 3D in project execution. Civil 3D offers a wide range of tools and features that can significantly enhance your project. These include corridor modeling, earthwork calculations, grading modeling, pipe network design, production drafting, slope analysis, point clouds, data shortcuts, and more. We utilize Civil 3D to implement various design and drafting projects such as grading plans, land development, land surveying, pipe network design, parking lot, slope analysis, and others. 2. Advantages of outsourcing civil 3D design and drafting. By outsourcing civil 3D design and drafting, you can enjoy numerous benefits and advantages. 1. Cost savings. By outsourcing civil 3D design and drafting, you can eliminate the need for hiring, training, and maintaining in-house staff, resulting in significant cost savings. 2. Time efficiency. Outsourcing frees up valuable time for your team to focus on core activities, accelerating project timelines and improving overall productivity. 3. Access to specialized expertise. Outsourcing provides access to highly qualified draftsmen with expertise in the latest technologies, such as AutoCAD 2D, Revit, InfraWorks, and vehicle tracking. We excel in converting hand sketches and scanned documents to CAD files, ensuring compliance with international standards. 4. Increased flexibility. Outsourcing allows you to scale design and drafting resources as per project demands, optimizing resource allocation. 5. Focus on core competencies. By outsourcing non-core tasks, like civil 3D design and drafting, you can prioritize essential activities such as generating project ideas, expanding your client network, and building efficient workflows. This enhances business growth and long-term development. 6. Risk mitigation. Experienced outsourcing companies implement robust quality control processes, minimizing errors and ensuring adherence to standards. They also provide contingency plans for project continuity, reducing potential risks. 3. Process of outsourcing civil 3D design and drafting services. Our process for delivering exceptional outsourced civil 3D design and drafting services consists of the following 5 steps. 1. Client consultation. Initiate discussions with the client to understand their specific needs and project requirements. 2. Proposal and agreement. Prepare and submit a comprehensive proposal outlining the scope of work, pricing, and project timeline. Finalize the agreement with the client. 3. Design and drafting execution. Execute the design and drafting tasks using Civil 3D, adhering to the client's specifications and industry standards. 4. Quality assurance. Conduct thorough quality checks to ensure accuracy, consistency, and adherence to project requirements. 5. Final delivery. Provide the completed Civil 3D design and drafting deliverables to the client, ensuring all project requirements are met and delivering within the agreed timeline. Following these 5 steps, we aim to deliver exceptional outsourced Civil 3D design and drafting services that meet our clients' expectations and project objectives. If you have any questions or would like to inquire further about our Civil 3D design and drafting services or outsourcing opportunities, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can contact us via email at contact@civiloutsourcing.com or website, civiloutsourcing.com. We look forward to assisting you with your Civil 3D design and drafting needs.